Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up HTML signature in Outlook. First you have to open your favorite web browser. I opened my Google Chrome and type in the search bar outlook.live.com. It will redirect you this page, Microsoft Outlook. You can try premium, and if you have already an account you can sign in, and if you have not any account you can create an account. I have already an account, so I sign in here. Okay, here the sign in credential I can add here mail, phone or Skype. I add here my mail, then press enter. Now I enter my password. Okay, next. Okay, it will redirect my login page. Okay, you can see everything. Okay, now I have to wait for gear icon. Okay, setting. But setting I can type here signature. Next you can see in the below email signature. Press enter. Okay, compose and reply. I have already signature, so here is shown. I want to create a new, so I press the plus icon. Okay, now I type here nice. If I want to press here, so I have to open my code editor. Okay, this is my HTML code. Now I want to open this with live server. Okay, I copy all these things. First I have to click Control A, then I have to click Control C. Okay, here I have to put there Control V for paste. Okay, then I have to save this. Okay, in below you can see many options which you can include in your mail. Select default signature. For new messages you can add your new signature here, and then for replies or forwards you can also add your new signature here. Now I have to save this. If I try to write something new message, I can see it's automatically shown. Okay, now I put to and subject and compose something here. Hello there, how are you? Okay, now in the below I press send. I click send. If I go to send items, okay, it shows everything here. Okay, you can see the time zones and everything. Okay, hope you understand this. Thanks for watching.